Hello everyone, Monkey Master Kyle here again for my another toy review. Today there's no blind bags, no blind boxes. I went to the Disney store and got a couple of play sets to review, and I'm gonna review one right now for you. It's the Toy Story 3 Villain set, which I somewhat disagree with, cause Lotso the Bear, I think he's just, well, without giving away too much of the movie if you haven't seen it, he just went through some unfortunate things and he just needs a good friend to show him the way. Anyways, yeah, it's a villain set. I got it at the Disney store. It was $13, and I'm really excited to look at these because these look awesome, and they've been sitting in my room staring at me, and I've been dying to, but I haven't got around to the video because I had to start school up again. Anyways, let's open these up. Oh. Scissors. Always handy to have when you do toy reviews. Alright, oh. Wow, they really did tape this. Although I guess they kind of have to because this is kind of an easy box to open. So we'll get that out. That is cool. So this was in the box. It's like a little background. Or, I was going to say a hat, but it's too big even on me. And I have a big head. Anyways. Let's start with... Oh, and they are tied down, so I should have thought of that before. So you have to open the top, and then you have to take the bottom off to get to the twist ties. Alright, now... So as I'm doing this, I do have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 other videos planned, but as I said, I am starting school up again, so I don't know how often I'll be able to post these. And this is not good for the scissors, but I'm going to try to do this just for time. So yeah, I got these at the Disney store near me. So, okay, we got some free, so let's start with those. Lotso Bear. This is kind of cool. He has, like, stuffing coming out. No articulation. Does stand up on his own. Has his little cane. That is neat. I like him. And if you have seen the movie, in the comments below, who's your favorite character, Toy Story 3. The octopus guy, I don't know if he has a name or not, but he's cool. No articulation, purple, kind of sparkly. Hole in the bottom, so he could be a little finger puppet. I have 8 legs. I mean arms. Tentacles, yeah. So that's cool. Who else did I free? I guess I only freed 2. Okay. Oh, no, I freed more than 2. Big Baby, he was kind of Lotso's wingman in the video. He is cool. He has a couple little marks on him, like where the child would have drawn on him. I don't want to give away too much of the movie. He has his little bottle. And he's like kind of walking, almost falling over, because he's a baby. That is cool. Alright. So, when I was looking at these, I thought they had articulation. In fact, I didn't know Big Baby even had a stand until I just started opening it. Either way, these are really cool. The robot! He is neat. I mean, they are hard plastic. None of them seem to have any articulation. But for, like, display purposes or toy purposes. That is cool. Oops. Baby down. Baby and teddy bear down. I just really knock over the octopus. That'd be kind of weird because he is kind of impossible to like knock over. Next we have Buzz Lightyear. And you're right. If you're thinking he's not a villain, you're right. But I could explain it to you. But for those who have not seen the movie yet, I don't want to ruin it. So go check out the movie. Where have you been? It's Toy Story 3. It's good. And Buzz Lightyear is not coming out. Okay, Buzz Lightyear is really stuck. Oh, here we go. And he is tied at the waist. So he is the hardest one to get out. Let's just get this twist tie off. There we go. So Buzz Lightyear. That is cool. No articulation. But that is neat. And next up, or I was going to say last up, but he's not the last. Oh, okay. Hang on. This guy's being tricky to get out. But I just accidentally discovered a really cool feature. Okay, look closely at the face. Now you turn this. Now look at the face. That is cool. His face changes. I'm mad you took my cookie. Because I'm happy. Okay, sorry. That is cool. So his face has articulation. That sounds weird, but that's how I'm going to say it. And last up, if I can get him out. Alright, they really package these ones well. Do we have a company name? Is it? I mean, I know it's from the Disney Store, but it doesn't say DisneyStore.com, Disney Pixar. So I guess exclusively for Disney Store and Disneyland or something, I guess. Anyways, last up, that's foot stuck, is the Mantis Bug Toy Dude. No articulation. Wait, no articulation, but he looks pretty cool. With the wings. Can he stand up? Kind of. Alright. And now we will get the trash out of the way. This is going to be hard, but we're going to try it. Whoa, whoops. Bear down. There we go. The Toy Story 3 set from the Disney Store, Villains. Let me know how you like it. My favorite is probably Lotso. Although I saw the movie, but I don't know the name. The orange guy that just fell over is really cool because you can change his face. But anyways, my favorite's Lotso. I would love to know who your favorite is. Please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.